Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup on the REALME C71. Okay, so first open up your settings. Once you are here, simply scroll down into the bottom and click on the system. Now click on the backup. And in here we have a possibility to create a backup using Google One. Now, under the account storage, we have our Google account that we are currently logged into. And remember that on this account, the backup will be stored. So if you want to restore your backup in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you can see right in here on your device, of course. Also, make sure that you have some free storage space right in here. Enable Backup by Google One, and now click on the Backup Now button. And when it comes to the backup details, here we have the list of things that will be backed. So it's going to be apps, photos and videos, SMS and MMS messages, call history, device settings and the Google account data. Now you can see that under the backup word this thin bar appeared and it's starting to fulfill. Basically, when it disappears, it will mean that our backup has been successfully made. We'll also see an information on the bottom of the screen that our backup has been successfully made. So now let's simply wait until it's finished. Okay, we are after the process and my backup has been successfully made. You can see right in here when the last backup was made. For now it's 0 minutes ago, but it was like 2 seconds ago. And we can also see next to Backup by Google One this icon, and that means that also our backup has been successfully made. And in here under the backup details also. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.